kisser, a little souvenir. Can I steal it from you to memorize the way you shock me, the way you move it here? Just wanna feel it from you. Hey, woo!
Don't be afraid to catch feels. I know you ain't afraid about feels. Baby, I know you ain't scared to catch feels. Feels with me.
Pumalot mo. Di ba siya kang asin naman? Maanad lang pa. Hello. Tiyo ba? Tingin sayang mo. Gusto na ko ikuhan ka ng text. Wala mo ba kang delay? Pagkuhan sa... Kanya itong gamit ano? Ang pagtingin mo siya. One. Two. Three. Sorry. For good measures. Oh no, na-stuck up. Ano? Ikaw gidrop pa. Nimula gid siya.
Sidakan mo ka, gag. Dagan na kayong sukay. Dili na mo-outro no. Ano, tagan yun. Outro na lang sa di. No, di mo-outro yung bugkag na lang. Wala kaya ko mo kay Orange oh. Lagi ba? Kita pa yung botilya.
Baby, I know you ain't scared to catch feels. Feels with me.
So this is my model of a volcano eruption. So this is the photo that was captured from the video a while ago. So this is what it looks like before the eruption, and this is the after the eruption. So you can see the difference between them. So let's proceed to the questions. I already answered it here, so I can only read it for the references. So number 1, what causes the eruption? So based on the experiment what I did while ago in the video, it causes from the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar mixture. So number 2, what are the possible effects of a volcano eruption? Well, volcanoes erupt with a powerfully destructive mixture of ash, lava, hot toxic gases, and rocks. Explosions from the volcanoes have claimed lives. Volcano eruptions can bring forth additional health risks such as wildfires, floods, mudslides, electricity outages, and contaminated drinking water. Number 3. What happens to the pressure inside the volcano builds up? As the pressure increases, the gases violently erupt and explode. Number 4. Why is the interior of the earth hot? So there are the heat in the deep earth maybe come with 3 main sources. Number 1, heat from the planet's formation, accretion which has not yet been lost. Number 2, the frictional heating brought on by the denser core material sinking to the planet's center. Number 3, heat from the radioactive element decay. Those are the 3 main sources. Number 5, what are the major, let's start with this. What are the major gases in magma? So the main gases, which is the major, dissolved in the magma are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur gases. So next, what are the minor gases in magma? I'm not sure with this, but based on the what I searched, which is the minor gases are sulfur, chlorine, and fluorine gases. Why is the amount of gases important in relation to volcanic eruptions? So it is also based on my research things. So it is important because gas caves magmas their explosive character because volume of gas expands or pressure introduced. So what happened is that composition of the gases in magma are mostly H2O, which is water vapor here. So and some CO2, which is carbon dioxide. Number 6. What are the things that we need to do before, during, and after the volcanic eruption? So I have a list here. Listen for emergency information and alerts. Follow evacuation or shelter orders. If advised to evacuate, do so early. Reduce your ash exposure by doing the following. Limit your time outdoors and use a dust mask or cloth mask as a last resort if you must be outside. Lastly, stay indoors and away from volcanic ashfall areas as much as possible. So these are the answered of the following questions. So let's proceed with the conclusion. My conclusion is that volcanoes can be inactive, extinct, or active. Extinct volcanoes have never erupted, and scientists do not anticipate that they will in the future. But dormant volcanoes have occasionally erupted in the past. My reflection is that though volcanoes may look calm and friendly inside it are molten rocks that any time can move out from the craters. The molten rocks are really disastrous and can kill everything in the environment, including human beings. Good thing is that volcanic activities can be monitored, not like any other natural disaster, such as earthquakes, which cannot be predicted. So, I think that would be all. Yes, that would be all, and I hope this might be enough for my explanations from the following questions, the conclusion and reflection. So once again, that would be all, and thank you. And this is my performance test in Earth Science, a volcano experiment.